Welcome back to their unboxing. This is, I guess, the other Somi, the XOXO pink version, because I have the black and white. But you know, like, my sister got this version. I already seen it, but like, her outfits are just way cuter in this one, to be honest. I really like them, so I had to get it. So here's me unboxing it for you guys. So yeah, I love these songs. I would say my favorite song is Anymore, because that song, it's just so good. Something about that song hits different. Okay, I'll show this. It's like a hot pink trackless cover. It's glossy. This is like hollow. It says Jung Somi, the first album, on the side, and you open up in the back. This is how it looks like on the inside. So here's the CD. I'll open it up. It's pink, cute. And then we have the sticker pack, which I would never use. And it says Somi, cute. And a planner. I don't think I'll ever use this planner either because I'm a hoarder. So obviously it will never see the day of light of being used. So yeah, cute. It's black. It's like those one that they make you buy in school but you never use. They make you use like 2 pages. Here's her like candy cane outfit that I just love. Yes, cute, cute, cute. Oh, these outfits. Yes, good job, YG. Black label. And here are the lyrics. Birthday, watermelon, anymore. Don't let me go. The song's also good. I like that one too. XOXO, dum dum. Cute, cute, cute. You already seen it. But here's the photo card. Cute. She has like this little detail by her eye. XOXO, the first album. Somi. Okay, we'll just leave this here. We'll look at the photos. Cute. Has a very like Valentine's vibe for this one. Like this. This is the outfit I have for my photo card. This one feels like it's not like, it's like a matte. Yeah, it's like matte. It's not glossy, and it has like this feeling like it's like soft, like suede almost. Interesting. Because the other one I had, it was like the Bloody Somi, so it was like hollow. Cute. Yes, I love the spouts. Candy cane outfit. I love this. So cute. Yes. Ooh, the sweater though. It's like rhinestones. Yes. I wanted the photo card of her in the clouds because I've seen it in places. And it's so cute. Well, they did that neon style makeup for her. Cute. Whoa. Has like a bow at the end too. See, I like these out. Oh, this looks like what Yana wore. But yeah, these are nice. Very nice. Like all these outfits. Photo quality. Like drinking something. And that's a cherry in this one. XOXO. Cute. I don't think her eyes are this color actually though. I think her eyes are actually brown, so she's wearing like geo lenses. Even her bracelet says Somi, the details. for a rabbit. Multiple rabbits. Cute. This one's a bit plain, the outfit wise, but it's okay. And that's it. This was a pretty fast haul because, you know, there's not much. But yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.